On folio 26 verso, we have the plays of the thrust, still in the zogho largo. So this is the 9th play of the second marshal of the zogho largo, who crosses at the middle of the swords. And it looks like this. We're both framed in a right side guard. Thrust comes in towards the belly. There it is. And as Fiore says, with the point high and the hands low, I step my front foot out of the way and pass across. Okay, that is the 9th play. Come this way a little bit. Again. But if you were to miss, the 10th play kicks in, where let's say I've missed Jessica's face, I reach over with my left hand and step around. And again. And 9 and 10 together. Of course, in practice, you should land the thrust in the face and continue with the disarm, because there's no sense practicing to miss. Unless, of course, you're thinking this may be a deliberately non-fatal conclusion to the encounter. You may have chosen to miss because you don't want to kill someone who is perhaps doesn't deserve to die for some reason. As a left-hander, the continuation with the 10th play is a little tricky because you don't get clean access to the hands, but if you just scoop the hands up towards you, you get a fairly convincing control on the weapon. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Lovely. So, there's the 9th play, and if I miss, there's the 10th.